So, hello there everyone. Today we have some fish on the menu. I will show you a simple way to do salmon butterfly fillets. You can fillet your salmon by yourself or you can just buy a ready-made fillet. So first let's see how the butterfly cut fillet is made and then let's see how it's pan fried. First, remove the excess parts of the fillet, and of course we won't be throwing them away, but we will be making some other delicious salmon foods of them. So here we have some 300-400 grams of fine salmon fillet, and let's cut it into 3 parts. Like this. And then we cut every part in the middle, but this time not through the skin, like this. So, cut in the middle, not through the skin, but stick your knife under there and turn it to butterfly cut fillet. Like that. It's quite simple when you learn to do it. And of course, it's up to you how thick fillets you want to make. These are quite thin, so they are quick to pan fry. And for the pan frying you will need butter. Let's use medium-high heat for the starters and let the butter melt. And of course make sure that your pan is heated enough before you put your salmon fillets in there. We are going for some nice and little crispy surface on our salmon, so you need that butter and high heat. Then put those salmon fillets on the pan. And first we fry them on medium heat for about 1 minute by this side. And of course now you have to just look and wait and hear that fizzling sound of those salmon fillets frying on the butter. And after about 1 minute you will flip them over, and as you see we have a good surface. It's nice golden brown. It's a bit crispy almost. And of course now we have to fry it again 1 minute by this side, but we also season it at this point. And for the seasoning we use salt, and of course you can adjust the amount of salt for your liking. If you want, you can use salt as only seasoning, but I like to use some lemon pepper seasoning mix for this also. You can also try to put salt, black pepper and fresh squeezed lemon there. It's also quite tasty that way. Then we have some waiting again. You can dream your future summer holiday plans or something like that. I don't know, you choose what to dream of. Or you can just enjoy looking at those delicious salmon fillets. But then after a minute, turn them over and we will be seasoning them also on this side. So a little bit of salt and a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning mix. And at this point we have to be very careful that we don't overcook these fillets. So when you have seasoned them, lower your stove temperature to almost minimum and put the lid on. Cooking them this way under the lid with lower temperature ensures the juiciness of these salmon fillets. And you can let them cook about 2 minutes under the lid. Then take the lid off. You can test taking a bite of those fillets and see if it's cooked. But as I said, be careful that you don't overcook it, because it will be dry and not so delicious. And of course you can do some wilder variations of the seasoning, some marinade or something. It's up to you and your imagination. And this time we have only this one fillet at the plate, not side dish or sauces or anything. Plain and simple. And of course I recommend you to do some side dish or something with this. But I hope you learned something. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.